हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथमेटिक्स साला। एंड हम लोग क्लास 8 एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन एंड आइडेंटिटीज के क्वेश्चंस देख रहे थे और इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कैसे एक्सप्रेशंस का एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन या एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद उसको डिफरेंट वैल्यू के लिए एक्स के डिफरेंट वैल्यूज के लिए उसके वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। हाँ, ये सब जानने के लिए आपको वीडियो के अंत तक जाना जरूरी है। यस स्टूडेंट्स, तो जो हमारे चैनल से नए जुड़ रहे हो वो हमारे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब और बेल बटन को प्रेस करना मत भूलो और एक लाइक तो जरूर बनता है ना। हाँ, जब अगर वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के बाद अगर आपको पसंद आता है तो कमेंट्स करना मत भूलो। चलो इस वीडियो में आपके लिए क्या क्या लेकर आए हैं हम लोग आगे देखते हैं।
Today's topic is multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. Multiplication of monomial by monomial. That means when you are multiplying 5x into minus 3y, then you are saying that it is minus 15xy. Now here we have aim to multiply a monomial by a binomial. That means simply distributive law. That is when you are multiplying a by b plus c, here is a sign of multiplication. In that case you are writing ab plus ac. Simply we are using this formula here. Now what is the use? We can use in daily life. Yes, when you have to multiply, suppose 7 with 106. Can you write 106 as 100 plus 6 and then multiply by 7? 7 into 100 is 700 and 7 6 ja 42. You can calculate 742 easily using this distributive property. And use is here 7 into 38. 38 can be written as 40 minus 2 and multiply 7 with 40 as well as 7 into 2. There is in between minus sign. Then 280 minus 14 is 266. Take another example, that is just you can write in case of distributive law, if a plus b is multiplied by c, then you can say ac plus bc. By similar way you can multiply this 5 minus 5y with 3x, that is minus 3x into minus 5y. And next multiply this 2 with this minus 3x, minus 3x into 2, and after multiplication we'll get minus into minus is plus, minus into minus is plus, plus into plus, you know it is plus, and plus into minus it is minus, minus into plus is also minus. Using that you can write here 5xy cube plus 3 5 ja 15. First of all you are multiplying the constants, okay, and then variables, that is xy, it is 15xy. In similar way you can multiply a monomial by a trinomial. Can you say here if you have multiply a is monomial and here b plus c plus d is here, then you can write ab plus ac plus ad. Simply you are multiplying this a by b. Next A by C, and next is A by D, and in between plus sign is there, you have to put the plus sign. By that way you can multiply. Okay, by that way you can multiply this 3p with 4p square. This is 3 4 ja 12, and here p into p square, can you write p to the power 1 plus 2 is equal to p to the power 3? Then it is 12 p to the power 3. In between there is plus sign, put plus sign, then 3 5 ja 15, p into p is p square, and 3 7 ja 21, and p. This is the result. Now this is the time to solve few sums, few applications. Here it is said in example 5 of your NCERT book, simplify the expressions and evaluate them as directed. Direction is given here when you have to find the value for x equal to 1. Now let us solve the first part of the question, that is x into x minus 3. Here x is monomial and x minus 3 is binomial. You have to multiply these. Then simply x into x is x square, and there is minus sign in between, then 3x. Now you have to write as it is plus 2. Now, and it is the simplest way after multiplication, after the simplification. Now you have to put value of x 1 instead of x. Then instead of x put 1, that is 1 square. 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square is 1. Here minus sign is in between that. Then it is minus 3 and plus 2. Then addition using BODMAS. 3, that is 1 plus 2 is 3 and minus 3. Positive 3, negative 3 cancels, becomes 0. Then students, similarly you have to solve this second part. In second part is also easy, that is multiply this 3y into 2x minus 7 and minus 3 into y minus 4. This is first these two, 3 2 ja 6 y square. Next this by this, that is 3 7 ja 21 y, and in between you have to put minus sign. Similarly minus 3y, and here you have minus sign and here you have minus sign. Then minus into minus, minus into minus becomes plus. It becomes plus 3 4 ja 12, and write minus 63 as it is. Write minus 63 as it is. Now simplify it. The term of y square is only 1, that is 6y square, and you have two terms of containing y, that is both are negative now, minus 21 and minus 3y. Then add these numbers, you will get 24y, and both having negative sign, then put minus sign in before 24y. Now simplify these constant terms. Difference of 63 and 12 is 51, and 63 is more, then put the sign of 63, that is negative sign, minus sign is here, then it is minus 51. After simplification you have to put y equal to minus 2. Put y equal to minus 2 instead of y, on putting minus 2. Here minus 2, minus into minus plus. 2 2 ja 4. 4 6 ja, it is 24. Now you have to put y equal to minus 2, minus into minus plus, and 24 2s are 48 plus 48 minus 51. These two are positive. Add these two, you will get 72, and minus 51 becomes 21 is the answer. Now students, it is very easy to solve, but these questions are important. Now let us solve this. You have to add. You have two expressions. First expression is this one, and second expression is this one. You have to add. Before addition, here addition is there. Before addition, you have to find the product of monomial and binomial. That is, you will get 5 3s are 15m, 5 3s are 15m, minus 5m into m, that is 5m square. In between there is plus sign, and 6m square minus 13m. Just remove the bracket. After removing the bracket, you have to write 6m square minus 13m. The two terms containing m square, and after addition you will get this m square, and difference between 15m and 13m is 2m. 15 is more than 13, then sign of 15m is positive plus, then you have to put plus 2m. Similarly, student, you can solve this part also. Its second part, it is also very easy. Now students, we can move for the next part, that is example number 7. Here you have to subtract, but remember one thing: in case of subtraction, read carefully. Subtract this from this. That means you have to subtract this polynomial, product of two polynomials, monomial into binomial. Here it is also product of monomial and binomial. You have to multiply first these two, and from the result of that you have to subtract product of these two. You can write here 2pq p plus q, and here you have to subtract, then you have to put minus sign, and then 3pq p minus q. First of all, simplify the bracketed term, second bracketed term, that is 2p square q plus 2pq square minus, inside the bracket, 3p square q minus 3pq square. It is very important to solve here to remove the second bracket. While removing the second bracket, here it is negative or it is positive. That means minus into plus is minus 3p square q. And secondly, here outside the bracket you have minus sign, and inside the bracket here is the minus sign. That means minus into minus is plus, and 3pq square. Now pay attention here. The terms containing p square cube is this one, and another term containing p square q is this one. These are like terms. Then find the difference of these two. That is p square q na, p square q, and the term containing minus sign is more. That's why I put minus p square q. Then next, the terms containing pq square is this one and this one. Both are like and both are positive in sign. Then add them. 2 plus 3 is 5 pq square. This is the answer. Now students, after solving these examples, you can solve easily the questions of the exercise. That is, exercise is 9.3. Here all are the monomials or monomial and binomial. Here this is monomial and this is binomial. Its multiplication you can simply, process steps are given here, but you can simply say that 4pq plus 4pr. This is here. Similarly, when you are multiplying these two, you can write 7a into a square is a cube and b square plus sign is in between. Then multiply b with 7 a square b square. It becomes 7a square b cube. Here is the answer for the third. And in this case students, when you are multiplying any number by 0, then the result becomes 0. Any number multiplied by 0 becomes 0. That is equal to 0. You have to use that, and this is the answer. Now students, in the question number 2, there is a table given, and after the table you have to find the product. In first column you have the expressions. In first case monomial, in second case trinomial, third case monomial, trinomial. Here it is trinomial, it is monomial, it is trinomial, it is binomial, it is monomial. These multiplications are again quite easy. First of all, I am going to solve here this second number, that is x plus y minus 5 into 5xy. That means it is in the form of a plus b plus c, and you want to multiply with d. Then it is ad plus bd plus cd. Like that, you have to multiply this x with 5xy and plus y into again 5xy and then minus 5 into this 5xy. Multiply, you will get 5x square y, and here plus sign is there in 5xy square, and next term is negative, that is minus 5 5s are 25 xy. This is the result. Like that, you can find yourself the product and check the solution from this video. First of all, try to solve yourself. Now these questions are also easy. In all of these cases, that is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. This is the formula you have to use. Then when you are solving this question, first of all, you are multiplying the coefficients, the constant terms. Here is 1, 1 2 are 2, 2 4 are 8. Then a to the power, just using this formula, 2 plus 22 plus 26. These are this, that is equal to 8 a to the power 26 plus 22 is 48 plus 2 is 50. The power is 50. Like that you can solve other questions. Here also in this question, how can you solve the product, that is product of coefficients 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 into p to the power 1 plus 3 into q to the power 3 plus 1. Now can you cancel here? Yes, cancel. 5 2s are 10 and here 3 2s are 6. That is 4 p to the power 4 q to the power 4 is the answer. Now students, you can solve other questions. Then students, solution is given here. It is in first case 8 into a to the power 50. Like that you can solve all these up. And next let us come to question number 4. As we have solved in examples, similar questions are here. First of all, you have to multiply this, simplify this one and find the value for x equal to 3 and x equal to half. Let us simplify. 3x into 4x minus 3. It is monomial, na? It is monomial, it is binomial. Product of monomial with binomial and plus a monomial, that is a constant term. Then after multiplication, 3x into 4x minus 3x into 5. So 3 into 4 ja 12x square minus 15x plus 3. This is the simplified form. And in this, after simplifying it, in first case you have to put 3 instead of x. जहाँ जहाँ x है ना, replace x by 3 and simplify it. I am going to solve the second part, that is when x equal to half. When x equal to half, then put 12 into square of half minus 15 into half. Instead of x, it is half plus 3. Can you say it is 12 and square of half? You can write 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 and 4 3s are 12. Ultimately it is 3. 15 by 2 and it is 3. Let us add these like terms. 3 plus 3, 6. Then find LCM. 6 means 6 by 1 is here. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2 and 2 6 ja 12 minus 15. And the difference of 12 and 15 is 3. And 15 is more than 12 and it is negative. That's why I put a minus sign before 3 by 2. This is the case. बहुत इजी है ना, सारा इजी है। सेकंड पार्ट बी पार्ट भी जो है काफ़ी इजी है। चलो इसका कौन सा पार्ट करा दें, इसका पार्ट करते हैं हम लोग। ये दिस ए इक्वल टू 0, बाद बाकी सॉल्व करने का काम आपका है। अगर सॉल्व ना कर पाओ तब जो है यहाँ से आप स्टेप्स देखो। देन in case of B, first of all simplify the expression means a into a square, that is aq, and a into a is a square, a into 1 is a into 1 is a, and here it is 5 na? Then the simplified form is a cube plus a square plus a plus 5, and when you want to put a equal to 0, as the question says you have to find the value, so instead of a put 0, and you know when it is 0 cube equal to 0 as well as 0 square equal to 0, that means 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 becomes 5. When you want to put -1, this is slightly different because you have to put minus, that you know -1 cube, can you write -1 into -1 into -1, that becomes minus into minus plus, this minus into this minus is plus, and the plus you want to multiply with minus is minus. 1 1 ja 1, 1 ja 1, then ultimately it is -1. But here when it is -1 and in outside the bracket there is plus sign, plus and minus, है ना, you know plus into minus becomes minus, then that one has minus sign before that. Then for the simplification you can write it is -2, two terms are negative, and plus 6, it is 6 is more, that has positive sign, and result becomes 4. Then students, now I want to conclude my video, today's video here, and we'll meet very soon with a very informative new video. चलो अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए